Hey there everyone, what is going on? Today we're going to be looking at the Away F.A.R. outdoor pouch. So F.A.R, as you can see, for all routes. And this is where the packaging comes in, very simple, not much to it. This is the large pouch. As you know, Away has been really killing it in terms of their travel gear and design. Very highly sought after. This packaging is basically compostable. So it doesn't look like much, right? But it's a compostable bag, which is great. Love seeing that rather than single-use plastics. The F.A.R, F.A.R, for all routes. This is a collection that's designed for outdoor gear and outdoor travel products. Easy, sealable little top bag here. Let's open this up. Really like the sleek simplicity of the pouch itself. There's a zipper at the top, which feels heavy duty, high quality. As you can see, there's no seam, like usually seen in other products. I've seen, I don't know, some sort of material that goes over the zipper to make sure that it doesn't come undone. As you can see, there's already a little spot right here. Hopefully you can see that. That's interesting. Love the jet black look. This is very modern, very simple. Yeah, not much to it. The outdoor material, the exterior material is 100% waterproof and water resistant. And then you have this handy clip here. And then I love the little Away logo on the side of it. And this is completely adjustable. So you can expand this out and then clip this to the external part of your backpack or however you would like it, and a little carrying top part for the pouch. So this is the large size, which has a 7.5 liter capacity. Medium comes in at 2.5 liter capacity, and small is a 2 liter capacity. The exterior, as I had mentioned, is made from recycled nylon. So it's abrasion resistant. I'm pulling this apart as hard as I can. Let's see how that looks, right? Yeah, holds up pretty well there. I can pull it like this. And yeah, as you can see, very durable. And it's also, yeah, like I said, water resistant. All right, so I have some water here, right here in a glass. I'm gonna pour it right on here. Look at that. Literally just is completely water resistant. Look at all the spots. Unbelievable. So that to me is an excellent sign. I love seeing that for outdoor use, like camping, backpacking, right? Hiking. And I actually got this, purchased it myself. No sponsorship with Away, purchased out of pocket. Wanted to use this as a carrying case for biking in Amsterdam, where I reside. So a lot of rain in this city. So if you have something like this attached to your bike, a huge advantage, a great piece of gear to have. So I did pour the water off the pouch here itself. You can actually, I'll hold it closer. There is discoloration though. So that it would be a bit of a con. I loved how it was water resistant, but it is a little damp. So definitely do not use electronics in here, because when you look on the inside, I can feel some wetness here. I did let that water sit on there for a decent amount of time, so that might contribute to it, but there is water spots right here. So water can get through to a certain extent, so avoid using electronics in here. Overall, my impressions of this is there's not much to it, showing you the extent of it, but love the design. It's very simple. Yeah, very positive impressions. Can't wait to use this on a rainy day, while biking or even hiking, and my next outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching the Via Travelers YouTube channel. This is Kyle signing off, and this is my initial reaction and unboxing of the Away F.A.R. outdoor pouch. Subscribe to the Via Travelers YouTube channel and make sure you have notifications turned on for all videos on travel gear reviews, destinations, and our favorite travel tips.